Let us summarize what we have done in this chapter. We had created an extrusion and then we had split it to make two parts. One is the lid and other is the container. Then we had modified its shape and then we had used the joint option to arrest their degrees of freedom and assemble them properly. This kind of assembly is called top-down assembly. That is, we start with one part and we create the other parts in the same file. Instead, if we had the dimensions of the lid separately with us and the container separately with us, we could have designed them separately in two different files and brought them into an assembly file, and we could have assembled them. That approach is called bottom-up assembly. Now, we will be able to export individual parts. Right click and go for export. Okay, so this is a container. I would call this as container 1 for clarity, and then I would say export. Now you can save it to your local drive, but I'm interested in saving it to the cloud itself. So I'm saying export. In the same way, I can right click this and I can click export. And then I'm going to save this project to cloud. I do not want to save it to my computer. So I'm going to name this as lid1 and I'm going to say export. Now let's open our project file, and here you can see that in our folder we have this container and lid. Now also we have this box. We need to save this box so that the latest portion it is going to show.